We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, JPY. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action last candle to right hand side is a bullish green candle. Bit of a spike down to the low of that candle. Second last candle spiked up to the high, so it's like a break and retest as we walk down the time frame. Current price sitting at 146.879. So if price work his way up, we are looking for price to break through that red and green to the left hand side before reaching the next level, which will be near the numbers of 163.015. If price reverses and drops down, it can drop down, tag that red and green to the low, which would be near the numbers of 121.513. And before tagging that number, it can tag the midpoint within below price, which would be at 132.785. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So we do know current price bullish green candle. There's a pattern that happened below. Yeah, it is an overall. So first let's tag the overall red and green. So when that market came down from that high and reached that red and green, first leg, second leg, third leg, we have a double bottom, which created that fourth leg double bottom. Market came back to retest that double bottom twice with the double retest. So we did receive that first, second, third, fourth, and market pushed up to the previous levels it was at. Now we look for that market to see if it's going to break this level to reach up to the numbers of 163.015, or is it going to consolidate sideways within that area, or it can drop down? And if so, let's see what pattern it can be forming. So that market drops down from price. So let's say price action denied at this area here, and we do receive that decline. When price action came down for that first leg, when it came back up for that retest, which created that second leg overall, so is that first leg coming down, second leg coming back up. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth, and so the retest, the market denied at this area and it drops down. We will be coming from a double top and a retest, overall triple top. Working our way down to the 6-month time frame. So price action on a 6-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. Second last candle before that is a retest, which is identifying as a doji, bearish red. So let's read the market, see what's happening. So if we're looking for the lowest red and green, which would be this area here, combined it all together, still reading the same thing as we read earlier. If that market pushes up, it's more detailed. So let's read it from the beginning. So that market did come down for that red and green for that second, third, fourth. Okay, with that double bottom, retest 1, retest 2, and it's the retest to see if that market's going to push out for that third time. And if not, it can't consolidate within the second last candle. So that means we are looking for the break of the price action towards the second last candle to the top side, or the second last candle to the bottom side to work that market down. Anything within that will be consolidation to that pattern identified. Working our way down to the 3-month time frame. So price action 3-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle, second last candle, bullish green candle as well. So it's coming from that third and fourth candle, which created the support. Okay, so that third and fourth high wick up to the low with those candles. So that's identifying as huge doji as you walk down the time frame, or it can be identifying as a huge doji, or will be soon. And then that market identified the break, the retest, and the market just pushed. So we have a break and retest within this area. We're going to see the market's going to push out. If not anything within the price second, third, fourth, and some of that fifth, the last candle, half of that body will be consolidating until we see that market break out that area. So like we're looking for a clear break out of the third last candle wick, which would be near the price numbers of 148.272. Now we have 148.568. So we're looking for the breakout that area of the third to last candle. Working our way to the monthly. So price action on the monthly time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. Let's see what's going on. So if price is denied at the resistance and it doesn't push up out of this area, then the market can identify that first, second, third, bearish correct candle, creates a double top, then we'll see if it's going to drop down. If it breaks, looking for the retest, maybe it just follows up with bearish red candles to reach down to the following level. So we can see that price action is in a bit of a range, receiving that pattern. So we identify the break and retest. So you can see the incline first, second, third. Market push up for that fourth. So we see the breakout, if not consolidation. Working our way to the weekly time frame. So price action, weekly time frame. So price action has entered that on the earlier time frame, that third last candle wick or that fourth last candle wick. And we're going to see the breakout of near the numbers of 148.568. So if we put a zone in that area, so what's happening? Market went into that zone once, wasn't able to break out, came back down for a retest multiple times. So we see that first, second, third, fourth, retest one, and then market is retesting into that zone again. So we're going to see if that market's going to break out to the top side, consolidate, or reverse and work its way back down. So far we are in that zone area. Working our way to the daily time frame. So price action on the daily time frame is reading as a bearish red doji. So that market is indecisive, side by side with the second last candle. Did break a little bit above the wick of that price action towards the second last candle, but still within that second last candle with the buy. Still looking to see if it's going to identify as a, because what this market is identifying right now, it broke into the zone, retest. So you're going to see the market's going to push out of that second last candle or come back down for a retest. And if so, it will identify as a break and retest. So if you read it from the bottom, is identifying for the first, second, third, fourth. Okay, we have a double bottom, retest, one push. Now it broke into the zone, could come back down and retest the top of that zone and push back up, and that will be the second leg. But so far we do know we're looking for the market to break above the second last candle, top side or bottom side. So far we in consolidation. 4-hour time frame, price action on its 4-hour time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. So let's take a look at what's going on in that area. So second last candle, third last candle, fourth last candle, the market has identified a lot of wicks up to that high. So what that's identifying is that it lost momentum towards a high, maybe it dropped down, came back to retest again, lost momentum, came back to retest again, lost momentum. And now price action is side by side within, or let's say within the second last candle. So we're going to see if the market's going to identify as a pattern. So if so, it can be respected. So if it's respected, then it'll identify as, so let's go into the break, the retest into the zone. So we have a first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest. We're going to see the market push up out of that area. And if so, market's coming from a triple bottom and a retest or a double bottom and a retest. Or I should say, yeah, triple bottom and a retest. And then the market pushes up. So we're looking for the market to break out through the top side of second last candle, or third, or the bottom side of second last candle. So far we're in our consolidation. Working our way to the 3-hour time frame, same as well. So we're looking for the breakout of the third to last candle in the 3-hour time frame. So you can see that market did some type of pattern up here. So it looks like a double top for that first, second, third, fourth, retest, and then so that will be price. Second, third, fourth is retest, primarily third, fourth. So third and fourth candles in the market is retest, and it's coming from that double top. So it's reading as a double top, a double retest, and then price is second, just a consolidated sideways. So still waiting for the breakout. I say primarily the third to last candle, or maybe some of that fourth last candle wick to the top side or bottom side for that market to break into that direction. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, EUR, JPY.